Seed. A seed is the part of a plant from which new plants grow. Seeds come in all kinds of sizes, shapes, and colors. Some are so tiny that even 1,000,000 of them together would weigh less than 1 gram, and some, like that of a coconut tree, where a single seed would weigh around 2 kilograms. Seeds are mainly of two types. The ones that can be split into two halves. For example, pulses, mango, pea, bean, etc. And seeds which cannot be split into two halves. For example, wheat, rice, maize, jawar, barley, etc. Structure of a seed. Seeds are like parcels with tiny plants inside. Every seed contains whatever it needs to start growing into a new plant. The baby plant inside the seed is called the embryo. The outer covering is called the seed coat. It protects the embryo from injury, especially when the seed drops from the plant. It protects the food-rich seed leaves inside from being eaten by insects. It stops the seed from losing water and drying out completely. There's a small hole in the seed coat which allows water to go inside the seed. Let's see how by doing this experiment. Take 2 jars and put a handful of dried beans into both the jars. Let the quantity be equal. Pour water into jar A and leave jar B as it is. After 24 hours, you will notice that the seeds in jar A have absorbed the water and swollen up. There's a scar just below the hole. Every seed stores the food in special tiny seed leaves. Some plants have 1 seed leaf, some have 2. The embryo or baby plant has a tiny root and a tiny shoot. Seeds don't start germinating the moment they leave the parent plant. Sometimes they remain dormant for months, even years. They start to grow when the conditions are right for them. The seed coat protects the embryo in such adverse conditions.